Hi, it's Heather again from Knitpal. I'm just continuing with our Tunisian crochet-along sweater. I'll let you know how far I got. I was able to do what I thought I'd be able to do this week, and that was to get the V part, that part done. So basically I have the first panel done. It's still rolling on the bottom. I think if she doesn't suggest some kind of edging along that bottom, I'm going to put an edging along the bottom because I don't like how it rolls. Is yours rolling too, or is it just me? So the next step here, I'm ready to start making the back, and the back is not a separate panel. If you haven't gotten this far, the back is, what you do is you just start from here and you go across, and then first you take how many loops you have here and add them up, and then you subtract that number from what the total number of loops you had to begin with at the bottom, and then that's the amount that you're going to chain in between. So I'm going to start doing a return pass here, and then I'm going to chain, in my case it's 29, and then after the 29th chain I'm going to complete the pass on this side, and then I will have it be the same length as the bottom here, and then you just keep going until the back is the same length as the front. So I'm going to start working on the back. I don't know, I'm really enjoying this project, so it's possible that next week I might have the back done, but it'll depend on time. I might only have partial of the back on, but my plan for this coming week is to work on the back panel and see how far I can get, and then next week we'll come back and talk about the next part. How are you guys doing with your project? I'd love to hear in the comments. I want to hear how everything's going, if you're enjoying it, if you'd want to do another one in the future. I am having a lot of fun with this, and I'd be open to doing it again. I want to hear your opinions on this. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to this Knitpal station so that you can keep up to date with all of the new things going on with Knitpal and all of the crochet-alongs that we are doing and will be doing in the future. Have a great day. Bye.